And now Mantse of Accra. Ghana, ni taki churu. I say it respectfully. Ni, if I'm calling you, it's not out of disrespect or dishonor. For the respect I have for this too. I, Nigel Gaisie. I, Nigel Gaisie. Yes, I picked him by the prophetic, washed him, processed him, and made him the Mantse. I did not just pray for him. I added my money to it. But I am saying, me, Nigel Gaisie. I picked him.
In Accent Chapel,
Agyapong.
When he was operating laundry.
When he was operating laundry
company. Yeah.
Laundry company. He will come and oh, it's okay. So listen, on the night, I want to help you. There are 3 NDC MPs that granted today 2028 and Ghanaians go to the voter. In fact, their primaries, they will lose their primaries. I'm a major player in bringing you people to power. Better to hear the bitter truth now and set up and win than to pamper you and you lose. If somebody talk on social media, somebody come and insult me, I'll make sure it happens.
Abusia medikai at the reaction be at the abroad alababe video at the Prophet Bernard ya watch say e no and the share Mantse enkoma ene wababe Mantse abusia and na me no e ka say Prophet Nigel Gaisie in the video ya wono so e kire say Mantse e no and the nam no so ama ene wababe Mantse in fact watch say wono and the son nsa efri do mo twe ni pie e share ne nkoma nyankom hye nkwa keke wasan edisika etato a enyankran hampo ene wo share ne kom ne mum na eyekumase abrepo Action Chapel ho ena na owa wo share sa enkom na enne yehu ne busua we ni nyina no eyese Ghana hwan ena ye difo na obi ye difo hwan na ne nkom hye eka hwan ena ne nkom hye a wa hye ne yenya so ensunso aso anase ehu adansedi epie eno ena akwakoda ne bachelor say die I between Prophet Nigel Gaisie and afi Prophet Bernard ena ebusua Ghana for address na watch we dey a very long week e dey amasa asofu emi no mo akwaba e dey about too much sun myself so first time ni a obemi subscribe button no say ya no akai say o de bell no be kan say upload me to mpe when the first person ya won say ebidi kan kabusua say ebidi kan kai say me dey Prophet Bernard ono ne reaction na di kan badada na we eye ne Prophet Nigel Gaisie e kan Prophet Bernard reaction no kire say eye wono ene nam ne sasoma Mantse be ye hene na wono na share ne nkom na in fact wo kire say ono Ghana ha ono na ye prophet no no ahye nkom ama asofo na aka no afa ne nkom hye no etete na namom abusia me no ka say Prophet Nigel Gaisie ono so wadwala yi pa ya wo kire say ene Mantse aye Mantse na say wo parade no so wo yo hene na wan kai ne ono Prophet Nigel Gaisie ayama na ono de wonim se enam ne nsa so ya abusia wo de ne nsa si ne bo say obetimi aka ne plane enye plane fa se eye ono ewa abrepo kumase ene wo freb Mantse share ne nkom se obeba be ye Mantse no ne yehu ne yehu abusia say ena Prophet Nigel Gaisie ono so e kan ne se ne Prophet Bernard nkom hye ne kwa na otakere ne busia wo kan sem bebe in fact wo ka bi ade ma prophet wusu be pa ene asofo Ghana ha de dodo na energy wo musamba e wo Prophet Nigel Gaisie ne sa
I, Nigel Gaisie, made him Mantse. Then now Mantse of Accra. Ghana, ni taki churu. I say it respectfully. Ni, if I'm calling you, it's not out of disrespect or dishonor. For the respect I have for this too. I, Nigel Gaisie. I, Nigel Gaisie. Yes, I picked him by the prophetic, washed him, processed him, and made him the Mantse. I did not just pray for him. I added my money to it. Then I had good money.
Action Chapel.
Oh, suffer.
Kumasi.
Agyapong, right? Agyapong. So I watch people, and people are just ungrateful. People are just what? Ungrateful. I watch people, and I go like, he comes to wait.
At your hotel?
At my hotel. Even at Domi.
Oh, Domi, I used to come to Domi.
I love it.
Mile 7. Papa, Mile 7.
Mile 7.
It's
not everything we can say.
Because
it's a king. So we love you, but not even Christmas hamper. Not even Christmas hamper. Hey. Labo sata dabo sata.
So Papa, so if you are in
this man, because of the throne. I won't talk much. So the day I'll be provoked to talk in this country.
Because of the throne.
Because of the throne, I respect it. It takes nothing to be kind. It takes nothing to be kind. All right, sir.
Beautiful to do beautiful things.
And don't let somebody call him and say that Prophet Nigel do what we respect.
We never respect.
But I am saying, me, Nigel Gaisie, I picked him.
In Accent Chapel,
Agyapong.
When he was operating laundry.
When he was operating laundry
company.
Laundry company. He will come and it's okay. So listen, on the night, I want to help you.
Sure. But before we move to prophecy number 5,
yes, sir.
But you said
I was led to
you were led to say that the Domi MP will not go back to Parliament.
Well, that's what I saw.
But someone say that you have a contact.
Yeah.
Oh, sometimes I call her.
Yeah.
The administrator also call her. Why didn't you tell her so that we call her? Because she's part of the family.
So because of you have a family, because of you, I'll not speak to that. Because of the personal respect I have for you as my son, I'll not speak to that. But you see, what people fail to know is that power. It takes a lot of people to help to get power.
Okay.
I'll be saying.
Yes, sir.
Power will go, power will come. The pillars that makes power will always be there.
Okay.
Here, I'll not speak much, but that is what I saw.
Yeah, Papa, because
and it's three NDC MPs who so far they will not make it to the next Parliament of Ghana if they don't check the antennas.
So, Papa,
I'm a seer. Listen.
Okay, Papa, listen.
You know I'm a prophet.
Papa, why not?
You believe I'm a prophet?
I know, Papa.
And you know, when I come to my prophetism, there's no favoritism.
Sure.
If I see right now that is this, I'll say it. Because that is my work. That is what I have availed myself to do. As I speak with you now, if you want me to say it, I'll say it. There are 3 NDC MPs that granted today 2028 and Ghanaians go to the voter. In fact, their primaries, they will lose their primaries. And it's better I tell you now. You see, it's better, don't hate me, I'm telling the truth. Because I'm part of the people that, I'm a major player in bringing you people to power. If you like Google, who helped NDC to come to power? Which prophet? Google will even mention Nigel Gaisie. The machine, Google, they will mention Nigel. No prophet, Nigel Gaisie. So if I tell you that I'm saying that you not go to Parliament again, you have to sit up and go back to the drawing board.
But Papa, is it a personal score?
Oh, what is a personal score? Personal score of what? Is that a personal score?
It's something you saw.
Yeah, it's something I saw.
Hey, Papa, I'm not happy because
if you want me to mention the other 2, I'll mention.
Papa, I'll make you mention.
Yeah.
I'll make you so that they'll be about Papa.
Yeah.
Someone will say, Papa, Honorable Elek, Papa, she's my mother.
Suffer,
Papa.
you see.
Papa.
I'm not the same person who worked for her to come.
You are, Papa. You are, Papa.
Suffer. And I am telling you, if we go to primaries today, she will lose if they don't set up. I'm telling you. I'm not. What will she give me that by the grace of I don't have? There's no money she'll give me I don't have already. There's nothing. The only person that can help me is Excellency President Mahama and a few who have good at that will help me. And which we are believing God that they will help us. They should help us.
Okay.
I hope we have helped them.
Yes, sir.
I get what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
I am telling you, it's better to hear the bitter truth now and set up and win than to pamper you and you lose. I'm telling the truth. Why? The election day, didn't I go, before the election day, you know the things I did?
I know.
I started working on a picture, not today, about 8 years ago.
I know.
And not just that, we did it, and not just me. I brought company of prophets together to do a lot of things for her before she won. And I am telling you, the Lord has revealed 3 NDC MPs to me that if they don't sit up, they'll not make it to they'll lose the primaries. 3 of them. I've just mentioned one. Your Dome is my constituency.
Yes, sir.
And I have interest in Dome. So as she will sit up.
So someone will ask, Papa, is there anything that she can do to
reverse
this?
Yes, there are things she can do, but she should not provoke the spirit. Me, if somebody talk on social media, somebody come and insult me, I'll make sure it happens. I'm not. Let nobody make mistake in this country that we don't have power. So for member politician be don't let anybody make a mistake. Say we don't have power. So for
Papa,
see me. Bible says once has he spoken.
Twice have we heard
Twice
that. All power
belongs to Jesus. Me nyame di for. Once I mess let if somebody provokes me. If somebody provokes me, let somebody come and call my bluff. Call the prophetic bluff. I like that.
So we are not calling your bluff.
Oh, Jesus.
You are not calling
but you know, you are with me. You see the things in my room. Don't you see?
I do. Papa.
Don't you see the things in my room?
I know. Papa,
don't you see the pictures in my room?
I see the pictures.
Don't you see some of the elements in my room?
I see them.
They are not there. They are some. I watch I watch some of the people. Like someone like Bento, the MP for Impo.
Mm-hmm. Henry Bento.
Yes, if I get angry, he will know. I'm not God, but you see, people should understand. You understand? But the time we've not gotten there. You see, it's better I prompt you so as you not fall into the ditch. Okay. The Bible says, to whom the Lord loves, he chastises. And I'm a prophet of God.
Oh,
I hope you are getting what I'm saying.
Papa,
what didn't I tell Jeffrey Saki?
Papa,
that the boat is sinking.
Papa, you see, someone like Jeffrey Saki, Papa, I don't want to talk about him. Papa, sorry, sir. Someone like Jeffrey Saki, Papa, I called that young man. I called him. With all due respect, Papa, you made me call him. I called him for more than years, Papa. 4 or 5 years, he wouldn't pick.
Yeah.
This is a man who, when he asks you to call, I'll call you, pick.
He will come and sit down and wait for me.
Wait for
this
him.
Is a man I put him on bed to work on him.
Hey.
And so politicians, a lot of them don't listen.
Like,
and I want to appreciate everybody online. There's a lot of massive people online.
Like Papa, the Agyapong MP.
No, take your time. Talk about Jefferson Saki.
Papa, Jefferson. Papa, he will never. So that you call him and he's call waiting. He will never return back your call.
Before Jefferson had his seat, I worked on it.
I know, Papa. Papa used to come
before Mustafa Hamid who even leave information ministry. I was part of a spiritual work. That led him to leave information ministry because Jefferson Saki, you see, it's okay.
But they are no more,
it's okay. It's okay. Don't let me say a lot of things. It's okay. But what I want to tell Ghanaians is that look, they should not play with the prophets.
Not only you.
No, not me. All the prophets, they should not play with the prophet. Okay. They should not play. The prophets are anointed. And what the prophets say, it comes to pass.
Amen.
If you like, let me come and declare different things. It will happen. It may not happen today, but it will happen tomorrow.
Okay.
I can't fight a government, but the oil on me can do something. There's an oil on me. That one, let nobody make a mistake.
They know.
Let's know. And me, the prophet, we like it when we are provoked. Me, I'm not a pastor. I'm not a teacher. I'm a prophet. I'm a born and bred prophet. I am telling you the truth. So also for that is what I saw. There are three MPs of MPP. That is NDC. That if they should go to primaries now, that's what the Lord has revealed to me. They'll lose their primaries. So it's early. We tell them. They work on it. So for someone like Sosu, Madina MP. Look at the work I did for him. I've never seen him one-on-one. We went to his constituency. Since he won, we call him. He does not even pick.
Back to back, Papa.
Look at Ho MP. It was to my office. He and a CDKTS son came to my office. And I told him he should go for MPship. Since they won, I call him, doesn't pick. I even inbox him, he does not reply.
The politician.
What's his name?
I forgot it.
Ho MP. I hope you get what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
So I don't know what is with power. Someone will say that, don't do that. I'm telling the truth so as you set up.
We are prompting you.
We are prompting you because that is what the MPP did. Who had goodwill than Akufo-Addo? Who had goodwill? They attacked that because they had goodwill. Where nobody wants to hear about power is like ice block. It melts every second.
Okay, so Papa, I'm happy you said the Domi Kwabenya seats can be worked on So
what is his name? So for that, get it. Media, get it for me. The whole MP. Get his name from F4 something. So for if you call him, does not pick. You send him message. So for
Papa,
you send him message. He does not even reply you.
Oh, is he Walanyo Thomas?
Walanyo Thomas. Thomas what?
Walanyo.
So for
Papa,
let's know. Listen. Also, watch me.
Papa, listen.
I hear me.
Yes, sir.
This garment was birthed by the prophetic. This garment
Was birthed.
It was birthed not by the apostolic.
By the prophetic.
But because I'm the prophet, I'm a prophet. I came to say that a radical or manufactured present man.
It's a business abrede akwakoye hwan na ye difo hwan na ne disem eka hwan na timi hu ade yi na hwan so na entimi ehu ade we ene banta ya ekoso between asofo akese bi no prophet Nigel Gaisie ene prophet Bernard gamanche hwan na eye ne abusia ma ehu e wo comment section ho all the social media handles no bopin ho a eye too much gh or subscribe like na wa share na fofo so ene bi ahwemedin at the dark gold ye be sensia.